Did you know that AI and automation can increase your chances of winning grants and cut your application time in half? While most entrepreneurs are manually searching for funding, writing proposals from scratch, and missing key deadlines, smart business owners are using AI tools to secure more grant money faster. Want to know how? Stick around because I'll reveal the game-changing AI strategies that successful businesses use. And at the end, I'll introduce you to a platform that does all the heavy lifting for you. Let's get into it. Most entrepreneurs waste hours searching for grants manually, only to find outdated or irrelevant opportunities. AI eliminates this struggle by scanning thousands of grants in real time and matching you with the best options for your business. AI can filter grants based on industry, business stage, eligibility criteria, funding amount. That means no more guesswork or wasted time, just the right grants delivered straight to you. Writing a grant proposal from scratch, it's time-consuming and overwhelming. But AI tools can generate well-structured proposals in minutes using proven templates and best practices. AI can help with crafting compelling problem statements, structuring your proposal for clarity, suggesting data-driven justifications. Of course, AI isn't perfect, but when combined with human expertise, it dramatically speeds up the process. One of the biggest reasons businesses miss out on funding is missed deadlines or lack of follow-up. AI-powered automation ensures deadline reminders, never miss a submission date, follow-up sequences, get automated email templates to check on your application status, application tracking, keep all grant submissions organized in one place. With AI keeping you on track, you stay ahead of the competition. Now, imagine if all of this, grant research, proposal writing, deadline tracking, and follow-ups, was handled for you by one powerful platform. That's exactly what GrantFunds.com does. AI-powered grant matching. Instantly find the best funding opportunities tailored to your business. Expert proposal writing. AI-enhanced templates combined with real human experts to polish and perfect your application. Automated deadline tracking. Never miss a submission or funding update again. GrantFunds.com takes AI and automation to the next level, making it easier than ever to secure more grant money without the hassle. Why struggle with manual research and writing when AI can do the heavy lifting for you? Go to GrantFunds.com right now and start finding AI-matched grants for your business. Let their expert team help you create a winning application. Follow Grant Funds on all social media platforms for daily grant updates, AI tips, and funding success stories. Subscribe to this channel for more game-changing funding strategies. AI is the future of grant funding, and GrantFunds.com is leading the way. See you in the next video.